Uh, hey, this is my food review on SunChips Harvest Cheddar. It looked pretty good. About like that. It's a small one though. Yeah. This is me in my second grade, 2015. Baseball photos. Yeah, we probably like won the championship. Here's a cool little snake. It's a king cobra that I made probably in whatever grade. It has my name on it. Then here's a cool little fishy. Sometimes I play with them and you know, it's fun. It has my initials on it. I got my little doodad. It can like, you can move it and then it like shoots. And here's blackouts too. But it has fury inside. It's a cool movie. Yeah. Anyways,